Hello loves, it's Ada's recipes here. Thank you so much for stopping by. How are you guys doing today? Today I'm going to share with you on how to make Ofe Owerri. If you're from the east, you should be familiar with this soup. This soup is super delicious. Guys, it's easy to come up with. Continue watching as I walk you through on how to make this super delicious Nigerian soup. And if you're from the east, especially from Owerri, we are cooking your soup today. Okay, so here are the ingredients we are going to be using to make our Ofe Owerri. So in a pot, pour in some water, then you add your stockfish and your beef. Add seasoning cube and salt. Cover and leave for 10 minutes. Add snail and pomo, aka cow skin. Add some water. Then add ogiri. Ogiri is a natural flavoring. So leave to cook for about 10 minutes. So here we have different types of pepper: yellow pepper, cayenne pepper, and scotch bonnet. So as you guys can see, I'm pounding the pepper. Add your crayfish to the pepper and pound. So that aside, we have a boiled cocoyam. So this cocoyam serves as the thickener to our soup, and as you guys can see, I'm pounding the cocoyam. What is Ofe Owerri without cocoyam? As you guys can see, a cocoyam is a kind of drawy. Add some palm oil to a kind of loosen it up, though is not a must. Okay, you can as well leave it like that without adding palm oil. So it depends on choice here. So our cocoyam is okay. Back to our soup. Add the blend of pepper and crayfish we pounded. Add the cocoyam. Then add some oil. So our cocoyam is dissolved. Add in our catfish. Then cover and leave for like 5 minutes. Next to go in is the periwinkle. Guys, this soup is full package. Cover and leave for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add seasoning and salt if need be. For me, I didn't add because it was okay. Then next to go in is Ukazi Leaves, okay? It's also known as Afan leaf. The main Ofe Owerri is made with Ukazi, okay? Afan leaf. You know, it's a hard leaf, so we have to leave it to cook for like 3 to 4 minutes. Then we add our Ugu leaves, okay? The two major leaves to prepare Ofe Owerri is Ukazi and Ugu leaves. Guys, this soup was so delicious. This is typical Ofe Owerri and is usually, you know, a soup that is well prepared. Full package soup. So as you guys can see, our soup is almost ready. It's popping, and guys, it was so delicious. So if you are not from Owerri or you are from the western part, the northern part, you can just try out this soup. You're going to love it. This is a Nigerian soup, which is a must try, but it's a soup that is common in the east and owned by the Owerri people. So guys, our soup is almost ready. So once it's ready, remove it from heat and serve. Are you trying out this soup? Like I said, you can try out this soup irrespective of your tribe. You are going to love it as long as you're a Nigerian. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well follow and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Bye.